हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन चैनल मनी मॉन्क। सो गाइस, जैसे कि मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था, मैंने आप सबके लिए एक छोटा एजुकेशनल वीडियो लाया है। आज हम देखते हैं कि मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन क्या होता है। जब भी हम इन्वेस्टमेंट्स या स्टॉक्स या म्यूचुअल फंड्स की बात करते हैं, सो ये एक बहुत कॉमनली यूज टर्मिनोलॉजी है कि स्मॉल कैप है, मिड कैप है, लार्ज कैप है। बट उसके पहले हम समझते हैं कि मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन क्या होता है। So guys, market capitalization is nothing but number of outstanding shares of a company when multiplied by the current market price of the share. For example, if there is a company named A Limited, अगर A Limited का 1000 shares है and current market price of each share is 100 rupees. So we can simply say that the market capitalization of the company is 1 lakh. So now, why is market cap so important? So basically, market capitalization is aggregate valuation of a company based on its current share price and the total number of outstanding share. So the market capitalization of a company can give an investor an indication of the size of the company, and it can even be used to compare the two companies of this size. Further, market cap helps to understand the structure and profitability of the company and thus the valuation of stock. Also, it helps to determine the P ratio and the position of free cash flows of a company. So broadly, there are three types of market caps. One is large cap, one is mid cap, and other is small cap. So top 100 companies in terms of market capitalization are called as large cap companies. So all the companies whose market capitalization exceeds 20,000 crores are termed as large cap companies. Now coming to mid cap companies, so next 150 companies, that is from 101 to 250, are classified as mid cap companies. So all the companies whose market cap is in the range of 5,000 crores to 20,000 crores are classified as mid cap companies. So now what is small cap? So the companies that are beyond mid cap, that is from 251 to 500, are termed as small cap companies. So all the companies whose market capitalization is less than 5,000 crores fall under this category. So अभी स्मॉल कैप, मिड कैप या लार्ज कैप, इनमें से कौन सा बेस्ट है? So this question does not have any answer. So for someone, small cap can be good, for someone, mid cap can be good, and so on. So basically, if you have a very high risk appetite, if your age is low, you can go for a small cap investment, small cap or a mid cap investment. But if your risk taking capacity is less, you're expecting stabilized returns, then in that case, you can go for a large cap kind of investments. So, guys, in our Indian stock market, companies like Reliance Industries, TCS, HDFC Bank, Infosys, and HUL are the top five companies as per the market cap. So just to summarize, all the companies whose market cap is more than 20,000 crores are classified under large cap. All the companies whose market cap is in the range of 5,000 crores to 20,000 crores are classified under mid cap. And all the companies whose market capitalization is less than 5,000 crores are classified as small cap companies.